Hopefully you guys visit our website. We have the Academy has been launched with 2 courses. The 3rd course, we're still working on it. It's our trademark, it's our hallmark setup. But you can check out the reversal entry with institutions or how to read the market like I explain it in our daily Sunday webbies and midweek sessions, which are Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, London or New York, 1 hour ahead. Now, let's start looking at the indices. The indices, what they did is the following: is a WXY. Good evening, guys. Okay, so what they did is a W, X, and Y, and we're expecting and then did an ABC right here. So this is gonna be a bit of choppy. If it's choppy, then we're heading down here. If not, we're gonna see a massive push to the top. We'll wait for the retest and we buy. At the time being, where we are, I advise you guys, do not buy or sell where we are right here. It's gonna be a bit choppy, then it will show the direction. If they wanna trap, if they're gonna trap traders, they're gonna trap them around here. The liquidity is up here, right? So make sure that they grab the liquidity before any reversal. But if they break and close above here, we'll be heading up. So wait for the direction. Where we are right here, it's not clear. Just let them do their thing. Let them show their hands. Same thing for the DAX. I anticipate my own bias, not bias, what I see. There's no bias. What I see is the following: choppy move and continuation for the downtrend. This could be an A and we'll be forming the B. This B can be the following: can do like this, can do like this, can be a flat and drop. It can do any kind of shape. So let them show the hand, then react. They all fall under the same category. So choppiness, that's what I see, and drop. Move to the XY. I expect the same thing, a bit of a correction and continuation for the options. To complete first leg, which is the C. If we will break this, we'll be heading more up. But for the time being, for this week, correction and up. Euro. Drop, correction, drop. Let's watch this area. Liquidity is down here. So if you want to trade it, be careful. It's gonna be fast, but just be careful with it because this is the direction we're looking for. Same thing. Let's finish this, then we'll be heading back down for this leg. For the time being, drop and heading up. A B, and a C. But if you look at it, let me change the color. That's a 3 leg, and that's a 3 leg, and that's 5 leg. So that's not a C. So to make it a W, X, and a Y, if it needs to turn around here. If it breaks this point, if this point is broken, we're heading more down. So watch it on lower time frame and let's have the direction. I do not suggest you opening a short right here. If you want to open a short, let's have a correction, then we might consider a short. But for the time being, either at WXY and we're heading an impulse up, or it's going to continue dropping and we're heading all the way down here. So be careful with that on all pound pairs. Cover that. UCAD. The liquidity is up here. So I see this heading up here, grabbing the liquidity, and then a drop. This drop is going to be on the higher time frame, so make sure that you will catch it. But for this week, I expect it to reach up here, grab liquidity, trap some traders, then drop. Good trade. AU, same as NU. I was expecting this last week to go up here, break the high, then drop fast. But instead, it did the following. So I expect a correction, another drop. Same as the indices. Same as NU. That's a 5 leg. Expect a correction and continuation for the downtrend. If we have an impulse here on the correction for a buy, that means this whole setup has finished. Keep in mind, they need the liquidity, they need to trap traders. So let them have a fake out and reverse, but wait for it. Move to the yen pairs. I'm expecting this to head up here and then a drop. To complete this setup. You can see it on all yen pairs. Heading up and then drop. This can easily continue to drop from here. That's why I placed this one. So if you trade the break, watch the break, retest, and drop. But what I see is the following, heading up here and then drop. Only looking at selling the yen pairs. So this, if it comes up here, then drop. J, as I said, pound pairs are dropping. So I expect a retest of this area and heading up. So if we have any kind of pullback, make sure you buy it. That's a good trade. PA. Pull down, pull up, make sure you buy this one, and let's watch this. If it's gonna react around this area, that means this is heading back down. To complete this setup. On any pullback, buy it. GA, that's the direction that I have. It's gonna be choppy, so I suggest you stay away. Gold. Then put it up on the higher time frame. That's 1/A. That's 2/B. And we're forming the following. Pull back. Buy it. Silver is more clear. ABC, that's 1, that's 2, and we're forming the 3. Heading up. Extended wave 5 on the oil. So expect this to finish around these areas. Around these areas. Let's go up. Any kind of correction, lower time frame, you can buy. For this week. Is there anything you want me to check out? I think I covered all the majors. I missed anything, please let me know. If not, have a great evening, have a nice week, and trade safe. More than welcome.